Vim, what is it? It's a text editor, in short. Well, let's see what the actual Vim.org says. The ubiquitous text editor. Vim is a highly configurable text editor built to make creating and changing any kind of text very efficient. It was included as VI with most Unix systems and with Apple OS X. Vim is VI improved. Vim is rock stable and continuously being developed, blah blah blah. Alright, but what do you use it for? To edit text. Let's go over here. Here's some stuff. Here's the notes I have. But to open a file, you'd go Vim, and then your file name, file.text if you had it. If that file's in there, then this will go ahead and create it there. But we don't need that right now. So first off, how do you move in Vim? Let's see. Put on the screen key. You want to go up, down, up, down, 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 down. Easy, simple enough, right? Left, right. But there's also the Vim keys, the infamous Vim keys. You want to go to the left, L, H is to the right, K is up, J is down. Simple enough, right? Blah 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 blah. So that's how you move, or up down. It's very simple. It's also good to know the Vim keys though. Now we're gonna go and address modes. How do you know if you're in a mode? Right here, it'll show you the mode. If you see nothing here, you're in normal mode. If you're in insert mode, oops, it'll look like that. It's just one eye. If you're in visual mode, it'll look like this. How do you get out of those modes? Escape. Always escape. Simple, right? Cool. Now we'll go to a important topic. How do I exit something? Say I'm in here in Vim Notes and I want to exit. You'll type :Q out of there, right? So you can see it again, :Q, you're out. Okay, apparently I made some changes. If I made changes and I don't want to save them, it's :Q all, because that'll close all files, whatever's in the buffer as well. Exclamation mark, bam. Simple, right? If I want to go ahead and if I made changes and I want to save them, :W, save. That's save, right? If I made changes and I'm done with it, you can do right quit, boom. Or the easier way to do this is once you're done, just go ahead and :X, boom. Saves your all your edits that you did in the file. Simple, right? Now if we want to insert text, let me show you here. Alright, let me see, I want to insert here, another program. If I would like to just add text, notice I was in insert mode. I want to go ahead and add text, press I. Now I'm in insert mode. And here are just some programs that I had. Let's see, another program I could put is PN Mixer, just a mixer application for your audio, right? And then once I'm done, I press escape, go ahead and come out of escape mode, come out of insert mode and go into normal mode. Every time you go into insert mode, you will need to exit it. Let's say I want to go ahead and append to the end of this line. Let's see, Vim. Okay, perfect. If I want to go to append to the end of the line, it'll be capital A, and then dash. If I want the Qt edition, Vim Qt. Boom, it's there, right? And then escape. But let's say I want to append to the beginning of the line, or if you want to append, it'll be after the first character. So I could just press little a, and it'll press it after there. Obviously, and blah blah blah. Escape. If I press insert, it'll go to the left, right? And if I press A, it'll go to the right of that cursor keys. You see? Remember, capital A goes to the end. It appends here, right? Escape. Control Z works. Let's see, to go ahead and undo, or you could always press undo. So let's say add stuff here, Vim, blah blah, escape, and then I don't like it, I just press U, undo. Same thing as Control Z, which is good to know. Let's see, how about, let's say I want to add something here. I want to append below this line, so I'll press little o, and I'll put space max, right? And or space Vim. So I'm thinking of Doomy Max, but then you go ahead and you'll press little o, it goes appends below. But let's say I'm here, if I want to append something above it, I'll go capital O, and it'll start a new line above it. And I can put Doom Emax, right? Probably has a hyphen in the middle. Fuck. Blah blah blah. So that's good to know. If you want to insert at the end of this word, you press EA, and at the end of this word, right? So that's per word. Next is, let's see, you want to edit text. Alright, so if I want to edit one character, I just go ahead and press R, replaces that single character. Easy, right? Let me go and change it back to the correct spelling. But let's say I want to change this word. Right here, if I want to change this whole word, I'll go ahead and capital R, and then and it changes that whole word. Blah blah blah. Right? Go ahead and escape to get out of there. If I want to substitute a word here, I'll just go ahead and press S, and then it go ahead and fixes that. And let's say I want to delete these letters, right? But I don't want to go into insert mode. I just press X. Boom, boom, boom. There you go, and that's gone. And that X deletes, it's at your delete button if you don't want to go into insert mode, which you shouldn't go into insert mode if you have that key binding, just to not have to constantly go back and forth in there. And okay, so if you want to change the entire line, do it here. To change an entire line, I'm going to press S. Changed line, blah blah, escape. Let's say I want to copy this here. Go ahead and press YY, and then if I want to paste that one, press P and pastes it here. And then let's say I have this space. I have this space here and I want to get rid of it. X isn't going to take that out, so let's see. X doesn't do anything. Nothing. to actually delete the line, you have to press D, D. It's gone. D, D, gone. Simple enough, right? Yeah, so this is my first tutorial of Vim. I'll see if I can make more. There you go.